Hey guys, today we're going to open up some football cards. First, I want to show you this Joe Burrow.
Yeah. It's one of 250.
And it is one of 250. And it was
6 cards per pack, 15 cards inside.
six.
The prism cards.
6 prism cards and
15 total cards.
I think.
Alright, let's open this thing.
Okay, let's open it.
What do you mean, dear muscle power?
Ooh, a bonus prism pack. We'll save that for last. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna need your muscle power for that one.
Yeah, need a little bit of help.
We need your muscle powers. That's one of the reasons why we have you in the video. Because I know you like your muscle powers, right?
Okay. First, we're gonna have Tony Pollard.
I love Tony Pollard.
Let's see his name. Ooh, Terry. What's this?
Terry Blitzer.
Terry McLaren.
Yeah.
Is that
Terry
McLaren? Oh. Let's see. Alvin Kamara. Who say? Ooh, it's
Colby Parkinson.
Kobe Parkinson. Ooh, he's gonna be in the draft. Josh Allen, and is that Alexander Madison.
Yeah, good one.
Second pack.
Second pack.
I'll hold this.
And then we'll have the bonus pack last. Terry
McLaren again.
Terry McLaren. Amari Cooper.
Hoops.
Right.
And then we have Peterson Williams. Trevon Diggs, I believe I said his name right.
I'll do this.
Trevon Diggs. Josh Jacobs Crusade.
We'll do this in the background.
And Carson Wentz. Next, we're going to do our bonus pack.
Oh,
you need help with it?
you'll get the top and I'll do the. You'll get the top.
Why can't we open this?
Bonus pack. Extra bonus.
Oh, and then I'll open the rest.
Let's wait. Okay.
You open and hand it to Wesco.
Oh. Whoa! We have the super shiny Nick Chubb,
Chubby.
Aaron Jones, and Nate Stanley.
Hey, Stanley, he got the highest score on the Wonderlic.
Yeah. And
We'll take.
and bye guys.